Hey everybody, it's Neil and I got these. These are some Pausel, P-A-U-S-E-L, and they are some pants. I wanted to show you guys these here. I got a size medium and I am about 180 something pounds, and I'm gonna give these things a try on here and you guys can watch me try them on. How about that for something here? I am trying them on as we speak. If you see me in my underpants, just ignore it. I'm sorry. Okay, there we go. Got them on. So here we go. So this is what they look like here. I have my shirt tucked in, I don't usually, but just so you can see what it looks like. They have zipper pockets, which is really nice. I love zipper pockets. So I can put my keys and things like that in there. These pants are great for like running or exercising or just like heading out. And they look nice, so they're good. You know, you can wear them pretty much whenever. They have some reflective things going on it here and here and there, some on the butt. So it's a little bit, you know, wearing them at a fancy place, you might get a little bit of eyes, but you get the idea. But they are super comfortable. It comes with a little tie string too. You can tuck it in this way here, or if you have a shirt over it. But they're really nice and super comfortable. They're kind of spandexy, so they kind of have the feel to it. And I love the Pausel stuff. I have some shirts and some other things from them as well. I'm not wearing one now, but this is really nice. They have good stitching, and everything I've gotten from them lasts and super breathable and super comfortable. It's probably made out of like a polyester or spandex kind of stuff, so it stretches and super comfortable. Really nice. I think these look really good. They're the perfect length for me and perfect size. I'm about 5'10" and 185 pounds or so right now. But I like these. These are really nice, super comfortable. So I'm going to say these are great. Thumbs up. Definitely pick up some of these.